Demonstration of first aid for sudden cardiac arrest. Sudden cardiac arrest is a condition in which heart stops beating suddenly and unexpectedly. Steps before performing CPR. First and foremost, assess the situation and the individual. Once the scenario is safe, tap the person on the shoulder and ask, "Are you okay?" to see whether the person requires assistance. If it's clear that the person needs assistance, call medical emergency or ask someone nearby to call and send someone to get an automated external defibrillator AED. Make sure the airway is clear. Tilt the head back slightly to elevate the chin while the person is lying on his or her back. Check whether the person is breathing. Listen for sound of breathing for no longer than 10 seconds. Gasping sounds are not the same as breathing. Start CPR if the person is not breathing. Steps to be followed for CPR as per National Health Portal. First, compression. Place the heel of one hand on the lower half of the person's breastbone. Place the other hand on top of the first hand and interlock your fingers. Press down firmly and smoothly, compressing 5 to 6 cm 30 times. Administer 2 breaths and describe below in mouth to mouth. Administer 2 breaths as described below in mouth to mouth. The ratio of the 30 chest compression followed by 2 breaths is the same whether CPR is being performed alone or with the assistance of a second person. Aim for the compression rate of 100 per minute.
Start.
Mouth to mouth respiration. If the patient is not breathing normally, make sure he is lying on his back on a mouth to mouth respiration. If the patient is not breathing normally, make sure he is lying on his back on a firm surface. Open the airway by tilting the head back and lifting his chin. Close his nostrils with your finger and thumb. Put your mouth over the patient's mouth to blow into his mouth. Give 2 full breaths to the patient. This is called rescue breathing. Make sure there is no air leak and the chest is rising and falling. If the chest does not rise and fall, check that you are pinching his nostril tightly and sealing your mouth to his. If still no breathing, check airway again for no obstruction. Continue CPR, repeating the cycle of 30 compression, then 2 breaths until availability of AED or arrival of medical help.